Hello, everyone. I'm here in Coral Springs and I saw this property on sale, and I was wondering if you wanted to tag along as I go to check it out. Let's go. Hello, hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank
right.
you. How are you?
Great.
Let me show you this beautiful house.
Okay. I'm going to put it down for a second.
Of course.
I was just driving by and I saw the sign that you have for this property. I have a YouTube channel, so I was wondering if I can film and then we can post it and see if anybody might be interested, not only in the property, but also in your real estate company.
Perfect. You're in the right place.
Okay, great. I like
Nice
to
to
hear
meet
that.
you.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Gina. What's your name?
Albert.
Albert.
Yes, yes.
Welcome to your home. So this is a beautiful townhouse.
Okay.
Has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a half. Let me show you. This is the social area.
Okay.
And this house has a really good plus that has an impact windows, impact doors, and most of them is updated.
Okay. And those impact doors or windows, they're very expensive, right?
Yes.
They really bring up the value of the property.
Of course, it's gonna give you more value.
Right, right.
So let me show you. This is the half bedroom.
Okay. Nice.
So on the first floor, you have half bedroom. And in the second floor, you have the bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 2 more bedrooms.
Nice, nice.
That is something that you are looking for?
Absolutely. Well, not only for me, but I have my son. He might be interested, or some of the viewers.
Of course.
They might be something that might interest
So
them.
women. This is a really pretty kitchen, updated. Most of the appliances are from 2021. And you're going to find also the laundry in this part.
Nice.
So they're really good machines.
Okay. Now, did you say these appliances are brand new?
Yes, 2021.
Oh,
So
okay.
pretty new.
Okay.
Also, this property has a really good plus. Has a view.
Oh, canal view. Okay, got it. Now, can I open the refrigerator to look inside?
Let me show you.
Okay.
You feel free to open everything.
Okay.
All the cabinet and the counter is granite. The dishwasher, the microwave, the stove, the refrigerator. Really pretty new. Everything that is attached with the property is common.
Oh, okay. All right, so I can go up?
Of course,
All right.
welcome. It's your home.
Thank you.
Will I talk about second floor?
Yeah.
Second floor.
Yes. And what's your name again?
Adriana.
Adriana. Okay, so I met the other girl. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Robert,
Okay.
Adriana.
Albert.
Albert. Que tienes que volver a empezar mejor.
Okay, so which way do you want me to go?
Okay, in the second floor we can find 3 rooms and 2 baths. So we can see first this one. As we previously told, all the windows are impact windows.
Yeah, that's very important.
A lot of natural light. These are very nice impact windows. I mean,
Right.
the highest.
Is this the main bedroom?
No.
Oh,
this
okay.
is one of this is the second bedroom. We're gonna go ahead and.
Can I go back there?
Sure.
Check it out. Yeah, it's very nice view. Oh, okay.
The bathrooms has been updated.
Okay. Wow, I like the showers.
Yes.
Let's see. I see old people who's coming to into the shower. So okay, I guess I fit.
totally redone in 2023. So this one, those two bedroom shares this bathroom.
Okay.
And you can find a closet here, lining closet, open it, and the air conditioner.
Nice.
Which is in very good condition, almost new, 2022.
Carrier, that's a good brand.
Carrier, this is the best brand. And now finally we got to the master.
Master bedroom. Wow. Very nice.
You can enjoy the view, the canal view. You have a natural light. You don't have to turn the lights on all day. And it's very relaxing when you get up and see that view.
Right. And I imagine that the impact windows, they block a lot of those noise.
Exactly.
Coming from the outside.
Right. Especially that we have that. But with the impact windows, you don't hear anything. And also help you with the energy because it saves a lot of electricity. And here we have the master bathroom, which has been
updated
also.
Very nice shower.
And this bedroom has 2 closets.
Oh, okay. His and hers.
His and hers, or maybe hers and hers. And the small one for her.
Okay. So how many bedrooms again did you say you had here? 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms in the second floor.
Okay.
And 2 bathrooms. And,
wow.
And then one.
And they're both they're right. So they're up here. They're both of the bathrooms are full.
Full bathrooms, yes. And
nice.
You have a half bathroom for the guests in the first floor.
Got it.
And
you also have like a little patio back there, right?
You have a little, yes. It's a patio with a beautiful view.
Okay.
Again, impact windows.
Nice.
And you have a small storage room.
Okay.
Everything is clean, so you can enjoy here without mosquitoes or anything. Also, you can go outside and walk for the canal.
How about the air conditioner?
Condition is new.
Wow. Okay.
The compressor is new.
Okay. All right, we turn around here.
And if you want, you can put a fence like that one. You can put a fence and have more privacy in your back.
Okay. Wow.
It's nice if you have a bed or something.
Very relaxing, right?
Yeah, relaxing.
All right, so maybe we can go inside and you can tell me what the asking price is and kind of help we can get. And if you can give me the information and I can share it to some of the viewers.
Of course. Okay, the asking price for this property is $450,000. $450,000.
15,000.
15,000.
Right, okay.
And the association is $384.
Okay.
And that includes the roof and the exterior of the property plus the community.
Right.
It has basketball courts and the clubhouse with the pool.
Got it.
So it has amenities and it's gated. It's a gated community.
And that also covers like the maintenance of the grass and all that?
Yeah, for the common areas.
Okay.
Yeah. And
that's important.
The roof, they just changed the roof. So
right.
It's practically new.
Okay. All right. So if you could, I think you gave me some of the information before.
So how was the turnover?
Oh, I love it. You know, everything is brand new. Especially the impact windows. I think that's very important, especially here in Florida.
Of course. We always have some feedbacks. If you don't mind, everything, this feedback is going directly to the seller also. And also, we have our preferred lender, Karina Ruiz.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Karina, let me get you approved.
Is that again?
let me get you approved.
Oh, okay. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking.
So so if you could give us your information and maybe I can share it with the viewers. That way, even if they don't get this particular property, you guys might have other properties as well?
Of course, we have another alternative for you.
Okay. All right, so that sounds like a good idea. So if I can get your all of your information, and I can share it with the viewers, and hopefully we can get some people coming by.
Thank you.
Thank you.